Hey everybody, so let's see if I can introduce you to some of the animals. And you've already met Molly, the one mouthing over there. It's feeding time for everybody. So, chickens, hello chickens.
Nope, I'm not petting you, you're both kids.
What do you say, ladies? You ready to eat? Y'all ready to eat? Yep. Going in. They know we're getting fed. Alright, I'll be right back. Watch it come running. Hey ladies. Y'all hungry? Want something to eat? Huh? Alright, yep, we have chickens. Started off with chickens. Come on, ladies. Come on. Let's get in here. Hold on. I'll shut the gate back. I love this. Which way does the bucket go? Which way do the chickens go? Alright, let's eat. Come on. Come on, go inside. They're molting. We got feathers everywhere. So the blondies, those are buff Orpingtons. The black and white ones are barred rocks. Both are just laying chickens, no meat. Alright, ladies. There we go. Crazy little hens. Spin this around a little bit. Make sure they get all their feed. They act like they've never eaten. Every day it's like this. Let's check the water. The water's full today. They are funny little things. I love to watch them run. Anyway, well, that's just one of the set of animals we have, chickens. We started out with them. They're a lot of fun though. But they aren't very smart. And, as you all know, or may have seen, we have goats. Hey Molly. No. Hey. Feeding time. Yes, they circle. They's hungry. So they think they are. So
Hi, Molly girl. Sit.
So here's what we've got.
Good.
This little fella, he's our latest addition. This is Patches. He is a registered Kiko goat. He's gonna be our baby daddy. The other two, the dark one, that one right there, that's Hershey. She's half Kiko, half boar. And then the white one in the brown back there, that one that's Carmel. Let's see if we can see her. There's Carmel. Carmel is also half Kiko, half boar. She looks more like the boar than anything. Let's go see our other little fellas here. And that's 10. 10 is half boar, half Nubian. Hey Molly. He's a wether, so he's been castrated. He's just a companion. Goats don't do well by themselves. So after Patches here gets all put up, then from after doing his job, he has to have somebody to hang out with. Hang on, let me open the door back up. Come on, boys. They get mighty curious and pop out all the time after eating. Hang on now. Now you stay on. Carmel there likes to, you can see she's not missing too many meals. She likes to eat everybody else's too. Well, anyway, that's kind of the animals on the farm there, the farm animals. We're hoping that maybe spring, late spring, early summer, hey Molly, we'll have some baby goats. You'll be able to put those on the video and everything, but we'll see then. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching. Remember, hit that the subscription and notification bell on there, and I'll see you on the next time.